8K, 8K, 8K. What's good, my tech friends? This is the One Tech Plus. So today for you guys, before I start the video, I just wanted to say thank you for all the support and all the goodness I've been getting from you guys. Has been very, very appreciated. There's been one person in most particular, and if you're watching this video, you just wait. I have something big planned for you. It's a girl. Her name begins with A. That's all I'm gonna say. If you know who you are, you know who you are. But yeah, been really been doing the most on social media. She's been hooking me up with like shout outs on her Instagram. She's been commenting on Facebook, liking everything. It's just been absolutely amazing. Literally, yeah. First name's A, last name is W. And absolutely amazing person. Absolutely amazing person. Really do appreciate everything you've done and just boosting me up. Keep doing it and keep doing it. And most of you guys watching as well, boost me up, get me known. Let's get subs, let's get more people watching. And yeah, anyway, enough of me blabbing on. Hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications as well. But yeah, today we're going to talk about 8K displays. And yeah, I've been thinking recently, and I thought, should I personally buy an 8K TV or an 8K monitor or anything, or like an 8K display? And I don't know, it's kind of a hard question to ask me or ask anyone else, because obviously 8K is like a new technology. I mean, it's been out for quite a while now, maybe like a year or two, I'm not particularly sure, but it's been kind of a technology that's been out there creeping around. And I mean, if you have the money and if you know someone, then yeah, okay, go ahead, buy 8K. But is it really worth it? Is it really worth someone like me or someone else out there to save up grands, thousands of pounds, or thousands of dollars, or thousands of money to actually go out and buy an 8K display, thinking it's gonna improve the quality of whatever I'm gonna be watching or broadcasting on that display? And I mean, we've just came from 1080p to 4K, and right now we're pretty much sat comfortably on 4K. And then you got 6K, then you got 8K, and I'm like, 8K. I mean, are we really ready for that technology yet? Because we don't really have anything that kind of that streams 8K. Even TV programs don't stream 8K. People that do YouTube videos, none of them really streams or make their videos in 8K. Even if they do make it in 8K, YouTube does downscale that footage into something like 4K or 2K, something like that. So you're not actually watching the full 8K footage that is being posted out on YouTube. And like I said, no TV program does anything in 8K. The most resolution you would get from a TV program is either 1080 or 2K, or maybe 4K, depending on what show it is, but mainly 1080 or 2K. So yeah, nothing really streams 8K at all. So it's kind of a hit and miss about the whole 8K TVs or resolution or displays, because you do get 8K videos. Don't get me wrong, you get 8K videos. People record 8K videos, so you can obviously test out these 8K TVs or monitors or displays to kind of take in how much beautiful the quality is and the picture quality is on the 8K screen. But in reality, there isn't really actually like a consistent 8K footage being broadcasted or anything like that for you to watch in 8K. So would I buy an 8K display? Yes and no. Reason for not buying an 8K display is there's not enough content being produced, or TV shows that's being produced in 8K. But then, yes being my answer, I would buy 8K display. Is there is content you can enjoy in 8K, but there's only a handful of content you can enjoy in 8K, and that's like pre-recorded videos or pre-recorded footage that you can watch in 8K, which you can easily run out of. And when you run out, there's no 8K anymore. But I would personally like to enjoy the experience, have the experience, and even enjoy an 8K resolution display, and enjoying an 8K content or footage on the 8K display, because I know it would look really nice and very, very crispy. And yeah, it's kind of a hit and miss, like I said, and it might be for everyone, might not be for everyone. But 8K is a good thing, but I don't think it's worth spending an extortionate amount of money to buy an 8K display. Like for me, I know I'm saying yes and no, and then I'm saying it's not worth it, but I've told you why. No, I wouldn't buy it personally, but just to enjoy the content and see for myself what the 8K hype is all about, then yeah, I'd buy it. But in reality, I wouldn't really buy an 8K display, and you guys shouldn't, unless, like I said, you want to experience the whole 8K shenanigans. But I mean, we're nowhere near 8K at all for content and video production and all that stuff. We're nowhere near. So yeah, let's just stick to 4K right now, because 4K is just kind of a sweet spot, you know. And even in 4K, everything is still crispy, everything is still fresh, everything is still clean, and it just looks absolutely amazing, the footage that's 4K. So yeah, should you go ahead and buy a 4K display, or buy a 4K TV, or 8K TV display or monitor? No, but it's completely up to you. If you got the money and you want to experience it, then go ahead. But just know there isn't a lot of footage or a lot of content that's 8K. That's what you just got to keep in mind. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed the video of me kind of blabbing on about 8K displays, then just don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, like the video, comment down below, tell me your thoughts and opinions about 8K displays, because it's, I mean, I don't know, it's kind of a funny one, kind of a tough one. But yeah, let me know down in the comment section below, tell me what you think about 8K displays and all that stuff around it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.